Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to understand one of the most important topics in hospitality and hotel management, types of service in food and beverage operations. We'll cover 4 key types of service: silver service, American service, room service, and buffet service. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how each service works and where it is used in hotels and restaurants. So, let's begin. Let's start with silver service, also known as English service. In this style, food is served from the left-hand side of the guest, using a silver spoon and fork, directly from a platter. It is elegant, formal, and usually found in fine dining restaurants or luxury hotels. The waiter serves each dish individually, showing high skill and grace. Silver service creates a royal dining experience where guests feel truly special. Next is American service, also called pre-plated service. Here, the food is plated in the kitchen by the chef and then served directly to the guest from the right-hand side. It's faster, more efficient, and commonly used in casual dining restaurants and banquets. This type of service focuses on speed, consistency, and presentation, making it ideal for large-scale operations. Moving on to room service, also known as in-room dining. In this service, food and beverages are delivered to the guest's room as per their order. There are different styles of room service: centralized, from one kitchen; decentralized, from floor pantries; and mobile cart service. It's all about convenience, privacy, and comfort, ensuring guests enjoy restaurant-quality meals right in their rooms. And finally, we have buffet service, one of the most popular styles for large gatherings. In a buffet, a wide variety of dishes are arranged on a long table, and guests serve themselves. Waiters assist with beverages and table clearing. Buffets are great for breakfast service, weddings, and events, offering variety and freedom of choice to guests. It saves time, reduces service staff, and provides a lively dining atmosphere. So, to sum it up, silver service, elegant and formal; American service, fast and efficient; room service, private and convenient; buffet service, variety and self-service. Each service style has its own importance in hospitality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hospitality and hotel management lessons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.